Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine. So, now it's time to discuss the question answers of chapter 5 Quality. Describe the shop. After reading this particular extract, you have to write the answers. Okay, according to that extract. Describe the shop. Actually, the shop was very different. Okay, the shop had no signboard other than only there was a name of Gessler Brothers, and in the window there was some pair of boots. So, what was the author's opinion about Mr. Gessler as a bootmaker? Means, so what authors thought about bootmaker, Mr. Gessler as a bootmaker. Okay, so what type of bootmaker he was? So the author had a high opinion, very positive opinion about Mr. Gessler. He thought that he was very much professional in his work. His boots lasted long, never failed to fit. Okay, so he had a positive thought about Mr. Gessler. Explain the line what he made never failed to fit. Means that particular person, Mr. Gessler, was a real professional. Whenever he made a pair of boot, it was perfect. That particular line suggests this. Write the noun of mysterious. So mysterious noun, mystery, and adverb for wonderful is wonderfully. Now question number 2. After reading this extract, you have to write these answers. In the above passage, who is he and who is that? So according to this extract, he was Mr. Gessler and his brother was died. Mr. Brothers or Mr. Gessler was asked by the narrator. That is why he answered about his brother's death. Is a beautiful bees. So that particular phrase is written in German accent. So you have to write in English. It is a beautiful piece. So a synonym of indicate is point to. Whenever we point something, that called indicate something. So held up means pulled up. Question number 3. Who is the poor old man being referred to? After reading this extract, you have to write these answers. So the poor old man was being referred to Mr. Gessler here in this extract, in this particular extract. So what did the poor old man die of? What was the reason of his death? So the reason was slow starvation because of because lack of food. He was not eating sufficient food to survive. Despite the use of the best leather and the skill and expertise, the old man faced hardship. So why he faced hardship? What was the reason? He had faced the hardship because of the market competition. Because nowadays at that particular time also, advertisement is must. Okay, for running your business. Now, take the correct option. He lost everybody. So here everybody refers to his customers and orders. Okay. Now the narrator felt that it was not possible to go Mr. Gessler very often because the reason is very obvious, because the boots which he made, that particular boots were lasted for a long time because their quality was perfect. Now, why did the author order so many pair of boots? Did he really need them? Uh, there was two reasons basically. Because first he thought that the boots which he ordered, they would be helpful for him because they lasted for a long time. Okay, in future he will wear, he can wear the boots for a long time. And second, the most important reason was that he had a pity. He felt pity for the Mr. Gessler, because at that time he had not got any order from anyone. He was orderless. That is why he want to help him. Okay, that so he ordered so many boots which he really don't need. so many boots at that particular time. For helping him, he ordered the food. So here space is less, that is why you have to write this answer in your notebook. So how did Mr. Gessler meet his end? Means how he died. So according to the particular Englishman, the way, which whom he met, the narrator of the story, so he died because of starvation, slow starvation. भुखमरी के कारण उसकी डेथ हुई थी. How is the title quality relevant to the lesson? So the whole story is all about quality. Whole story roaming around the word quality. It is all about the good qualities of wood made by Mr. Gessler. That is why this particular title is relevant to the story very much. Okay. So till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.